What's up? I'm Swell Dog. I like to build cool stuff. I'm doing a quick video on how I grease my Carli upper and lower ball joints, the lifetime ones. So let me show you. Hello. And hello. So let me show you what I got going on. I throw the jack. I usually just leave the truck running because I got to turn the wheels. It's easier to do it this way. I put the jack underneath the control arm right here. Just barely jack it up so the tire's off the ground. And I rotate the tire outward so I got room to get in there. And that way I can turn the wheel to be able to get the U-joint in the right spot to grease it. I've got my grease gun that I've got that synthetic grease in that this is a separate grease gun from the normal grease, the normal wheel bearing grease for everything else. Because the Carli ball joints want that synthetic grease. So I keep it in this extra one. That's the only reason that's the only thing I use this grease for. Hello. And then I've just got a paper towel so I can wipe off the grease zerks before I pump new grease in there. And then all I do is I turn the wheel, position the U-joint so the opening, you can get to the lower one. The top one's obviously easy to get to. Wipe it off, put new grease in. The bottom one has a little weep hole where it starts to come out. The top one, you just kind of have to put a couple of pumps in because there's nowhere for it to come out. So I just put it in until I can't put it anymore. This also gives you a great opportunity to be able to check the wheel bearings or anything else with either a shovel or a big pry bar. You can stick it under there, give the wheel a little jiggle, and see how it goes. So let's do it.
You gotta focus on yourself, on your faith, on your dreams, on your mind, on your health, yeah. You gotta work, never tell, keep your head down, find what you love and excel, yeah. Push and pull and repel any hate, go create what you want, feel compelled, yeah. And once you finally get a taste of the race, you'll never look back once you felt that. Don't let somebody take your time and your worth, just focus on yourself first. Don't let somebody take your time and your worth, just focus on yourself first. Don't let somebody take your time and your worth, just focus on yourself first. Don't let somebody take your time and your worth, just focus on yourself first.
All right, that's it. Done, easy peasy. So I also greased the steering box brace at the same time because it has a grease zerk on it. Nothing else has grease zerks, it's all non-serviceable stuff. But I do this every 5,000 miles and I just do it when the odometer hits the 5,000 mile increment. So right now I just hit 190,000 miles. So I know every 5,000 miles I grease everything. So hopefully this was helpful on how I grease those. And until next time, go build something cool. Later.
Don't let somebody take your time and your worth, just focus on yourself.